Hello folks, welcome to another Yardie Deli TV, and today I am I'm reviewing and unboxing a floor lamp that was sent to me by Taotronics. And Taotronics is a company that markets different types of electronic devices for the home. I am doing a standing lamp for them today, and this is one of those LED lamps that really and truly can help to heighten the decor of a space, as it were, give it new lighting and stuff like that. I am in my bedroom right now, and in the evenings I notice that my ceiling lamp is a little bit on the dull side, and when the night comes down, right now I have my windows open, but in the evenings I notice that the room gets a little bit on the shaded side. With this floor lamp, I can change the mood of the room. I can go very bright, I can go very dark, and I can also change the color of the light to suit whatever is happening in that space. And so I just received my floor lamp from them. I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna unbox it, take it out of the box, and show you guys everything that I'm doing, and I'm gonna put it together and then show you exactly how it works. So stay tuned for this video, and of course you will also be able to purchase your lamp using the affiliate link that will be in the description box to this video. So guys, stay tuned and watch this unboxing, because guess what? We get lamp, we get lamp, we get lamp, floor lamp, we get floor lamp. Hey, LED from Taotronics, LED from Taotronics. Hey! So here's my lamp, and of course, I just got it in the mail, and I also have my little toolkit there just in case I need tools to assemble it. So this is how it comes to you, and they have a little thank you card here with a QR code, so you can also scan this code and get connected with Taotronics. All right, so this is their little card here, Taotronics, and yeah, we can sort them out online. And then the user guide, always save this. A lot of people don't save their user guide, so they don't know what to do and how to do it. So always save your user guide. All right, so just to open your user guide, it has important safety instructions, knowing about your lamp, and also how to assemble your lamp. It also gives you specifications on how to use your lamp and the different things, and also to clean and maintain your lamp, and also troubleshooting. Everything is in English, and I think, let me see if there's any other languages. Yeah, it's all in English, so very important, guys. All right, then the next thing that comes out is the base. This is the base of the lamp, and heavy base, something that will definitely be planted on the ground when you are using your lamp. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out everything individually. This is a remote. This is a remote for the lamp, okay? And the remote basically has, the brightness gauge, and it says Taotronics here, and it has the power button and everything, and the brightness gauge. All right, so we'll use that a little bit later on. Okay. And here are the different electronic components of the lamp. I guess you basically are gonna just assemble this by connecting everything together. There is a wire there, if I can show you guys. There's a wire there that connects everything, and this is what makes the lamp stand. So yeah, we just have to put them aside and then go through the task of assembling. This is the light itself. All right. And the good thing about the light is that it's movable. You see that? You can shift it to where you want, and the small beam can shift to. So it's two different LEDs, the top one and the bottom one, and they can also be shifted around. All right. And then we have the power switch. So it's very simple assembly, and I'm gonna just run through the assembling of the lamp, and then from there you will see what else we finish up the lamp. Yeah. So here is the entire lamp disassembled, all the pieces that came in the box. The lamp stand itself, which is in 3 or 4 pieces. the books and the little thank you card, the remote, the power button, the base, and the actual LED strips. Now I'm gonna just assemble everything, and the good thing about it is, guys, everything actually just screws into place and plug in. That's it. Screw in and plug in. No hard and fast. Alright, just screw in and plug in. Let's go. So you just have to get this part right, and once you do that, you're good to go. So there's a little match-up what you have to do. Right, see? Simple. You just you know, tap it in. See there? You match it up. You line up this little space here with this little space on the other piece, and it fits right in. Easy peasy. And then this one just pushes into there, and you can spin this one around. As a matter of fact, let me do the top first. Bam. Tighten. And this piece, and again, you know, the manual will tell you the order in which you can do it. It's just that as most men don't check manuals. Oh my God. Why are we like that? Why are we as men like that, ladies and gentlemen? Awesome. Awesome. And there you have it. Now you just simply, you can turn this to shine up and this shines down. Or you can turn it to the side and it shines side, right? So it's an uplight. Okay. And so here you have it, basically assembled. I tried to, hopefully I showed you guys, you see everything. Here is the base and all the different pieces. It comes up in a straight line. Here we have the little power buttons, you know, on and off buttons. Here is the major part. This is what you call an uplight. You can turn it this way, as I said before, or you can make it stay up like that, or you can turn it directionally. So for instance, like me who does videoing and use it, you know, try to make sure I have lighting, this is awesome. Then you have the lower one as well, which is also, you know, can be turned into different directions. All right. So this is the lamp. It is sleek. It is not that heavy. It has a strong base, but you can put it to a corner. Let me show you. Put it to a corner, you know, in a space, and you can light that space very much so. So I'm gonna plug it in. I have the plug here, the plug for it, and I'm gonna plug it in and then show you how it looks. Display it and show you and fool around with it and then show you what's really going on with my Taotronics floor lamp. Yeah, and it's an uplight. All right. So guys, here's the assembled lamp, and we just placed it in a space, you know, just to do a nice feature. Now look at the level of radiance that you get, you know, how you can brighten the entire room, you know, with just adding, just upping the level of brightness on the lamp. You can actually function fully in the room because it just gives us overwhelming brilliance to the space. You understand? And so guys, this is perfect for that little area. If you want, you can actually put the entire lamp behind the chair and just having the piece alone with the uplight showing, but I just left it there just for you guys to see how it fits in nicely in the space. All right, and then you can simply turn it down, to get back that glow. You can change the light spectrum and you get a warm and nice light. And of course the lower light also can change. If you're reading, for instance, you can just put it on a white light, and so this is awesome guys. I highly recommend it. And if you are out there and you need a nice floor lamp, this one is a good one. All right, so big up to Taotronics for sending me this lamp, and definitely you'll be seeing more reviews coming with other products again from Taotronics. All right, so until then, big up on yourself. Yardbelly TV. Yeah, it look good. I don't ask Christ, it look good. Blessings. So the lamp is very, very versatile in that it can be adjusted, at a right angle, and both of the light, heads can be adjusted to a 90-degree right angle. You also have the remote that has, a little bit of a magnetic strip at the back, so it can be attached to any metal surface, or to the lamp itself. One of the other things that the lamp does have is a feature here, a button here, where you can independently turn off, any one of the lamp heads. So you can turn off the lower one and use only the uplight if you want, or vice versa. If you want to use the uplight alone, you can turn off the uplight and you can use it as a reading lamp. So it's quite versatile in that way. And so ladies and gentlemen, it's a good buy, I promise you. And you can just adjust the light, and of course you can use your trusty remote to do the same thing as well, and it does work just the same. Look at that. Awesome, right? Awesome.